6 o'clock and karon pa ko nagka-motivation na magawas og balay para mang grocery. Because usually the groceries here have sales during weekends. So I have to seize the opportunity and go. But the whole day I was so lazy to get up and prepare. So your girl is like an abat gabi mo gawas. So come with me and shop for groceries. So it's not me realizing 25% na lang akong battery. But bahala na, you know, like kung dili ko malakaw. So the show must go on. So first agenda of the day is Carrefour. Kaya I feel like narito tanan akong needs. So let's go to Carrefour.
Meters. Turn right.
I don't care if basa akong hair. So, it just means naligo ko. Duh. Like, pwede maligo gabi or hapon. So, 6:07 na and hopefully I can buy everything I need or else I'll buy the rest here sa nearby na Wazone. So we're here now in IBN and I've managed to park near the entrance, so we're gonna save some few seconds of time. So first stop I guess is maybe we'll see. So Mauto guys, I've decided I'm gonna go underwear shopping. But I'm not gonna show you, I'm just informing you. So we'll probably see each other again sa grocery. Bye! IBN Mall is so gorgeous, guys. It's like walking inside a palace. But I don't come here often. Usually I just go for a grocery run and that gets done with the West Zone nearby our place. Like guys, tanawan, it's so beautiful. And this is inside a mall. Very much wowness. My first agenda is a success. So next, madon ako Carrefour for the important stuff, for the survival stuff. So akong first tanawon guys is not the ice cream, but the frying pan. Hinarang steel na frying pan. Kay our pans at home are the Teflon coated, pero dili siya healthy on ya. The coating is starting to come off, and given my health situation, I need healthier pans. So I'm gonna buy that now. I just had a little moment of doubt regarding if mag eat out or not, but ultimately, I decided not to go since I'm not feeling that hungry anyways. Wow, kanina yun yung bungad sa ko agad. Stainless steel, but the price is not for me. Puro set ang naandiri guys. Even the Teflons is the sets. So I gotta find individual ones. Kaya I can only afford 1 piece or 2 pieces for now. I found the pan rack, but murag stainless steel. Stainless steel na siya. Ay, na siya coating. I think if na coating, immediately disqualified. Focus. Oh, we have this one. 24 inches long tingali at 81 dirhams. Mag-evaluate ako guys. Money. I found this. I will check and evaluate guys. Money siya. So, money ang current status guys. Nanakoy rice and 2 pots. One for casserole and one for frying. And I also bought a ladle or like a turner. So now I'm gonna find spaghetti. So guys, wala na ako naka-video sa Walmart kaya I'm on a time crunch. I need to be by ngayon kay magsabay mi ni Loy sa og grocery sa West Zone, which is the bulk of our grocery. So I just popped in and out from Wemart. I bought some sushi for me to munch on since it's already 8 going 9 o'clock. So hopefully I'll make it there on time. So maara to guys. Sorry wala na ako naka-video sa Wemart. Pero I always like my trips to Wemart. Wala lang. So see you guys in West Zone. Bye! Yan ako sa metro station. Abot na si Loisa. And I'm eating my unagi sushi, guys. Yum. Yummy. We're at West Zone na, guys. So, na si Loisa. So, mang grocery na mi. The main grocery of all. But, ako sa niya humanon akong sushi before we go. Para dili na magpataka o pulbot.